Mm. Okay, it was looking big in pictures, but really it is a small piece. Let us see what is inside it. Okay. So this is little toolbox, very small in size. This is the product from Taparia, but I think it is very much small. I thought it will be a big thing, but it is not. You can see this is toolbox from Taparia. I bought it from Flipkart. Don't know. I thought it a big one, but it is very small. I don't think it will work for me. So it's a small piece. You can just keep small tools inside it. It is useless for big tools. No doubt it is a heavy thing, but very small. It's heavy but small. The block is very hard. Okay, it's working. Okay, so you have to pull it out. This is small kind of screws and nails, nuts and bolts. Okay, both the sides you have two small boxes for nut bolts, but one limitation, you will have to close it properly before opening the main shutter. This is some place for very small tools, okay, like testers, etc. And this one is useful for small kind of screwdrivers or wrenches. It is very small according to me. It's not a big piece. Okay.